given year. Greetings to all of you. As the Master of University College, it is indeed a privilege and an honor to welcome you here tonight. I'm looking forward to a great night of fine dancing and socializing.
Put your hands together for Mr. Edwin Darla.
Thank you very much for that, Chris. I had hoped he wouldn't mention that I went to Selwyn, but he said I hope you can forgive me for that. I imagine this year most of you have had a bit of involvement with OUSA, whether you know it or not. Obviously things such as orientation, I imagine most of you either read Critic or have at least picked it up at some point during the year. And hopefully also quite a few of you use OUSA facilities such as the Clubs and Socks Centre, and hopefully not too many of you have had to visit the Student Support Centre. As you leave Unico and head out towards Flatting and the like, your life at university will be quite different, I imagine, and I hope that I think probably for the vast majority of you coming down to study at Otago, you had a choice to ensure that you make the most of your time at university, and make sure that you do make the most of your time here. And if you follow OUSA's motto, Aldemos, which is in response to the universities, let us dare to be wise. The Students' Association was founded on the basis that we dare, or let us dare, and I think it's something that's quite good to remember in terms of your time at university. So, as you move on to next year, I guess I'd just like to ensure that you make the most of your time here and now at university, and that you do, that your university years are certainly ones to remember. So, with that, I guess I'd just like to thank Chris once again for inviting me along, and I'd like to wish you all the best for your exams in the summer that follows. So cheers and enjoy your day.